Rig moves, towing, jacking and anchor handling operations are considered to be the most dangerous offshore operations, particularly the operations where the hands-on crew on deck are involved in. Special skills, knowledge and equipment are required, not only for moving heavy jack-up rigs and other equipment. Our course has been meticulously crafted based on intensive and extensive industry research to guarantee safe and efficient operations in a challenging offshore environment. With the state-of-the-art simulator included in this course, delegates get the hands-on practice of AHT, anchor spreads and all jacking operations with RPDs. You will be equipped with the latest guidelines and procedures for moving jack-ups and other rigs safely. Effectively identify the challenges for rig move, towing, dry tow, AHTS, anchor handling and jacking operations. Analyze the anchor wire catenary including calculations. Perform calculations in the operational fields, including rules of thumb. Discover how you can optimize your training budget with our corporate training program designed to offer exceptional value. To learn more about us, our training events and corporate training program, visit our website, speak to one of our sales consultants or simply drop us an email. Scan the QR code to save our digital business name card.